Let me show you how I made this delicious burger bun. It is simple and delicious to make. Let's get right into it. First thing first, you need to activate the yeast. So in a bowl, you're going to combine warm milk. Ensure that the milk is warm at room temperature because you do not want it too hot or too cold, which will affect the yeast. You're going to add some sugar, salt, and the yeast in a bowl with the milk. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes or until it is frothy. If it is not frothy, that means that your yeast was not activated because the milk was too hot or it was too cold, and you will have to start over the process again. Next, we're going to make the dough. In a large bowl, combine flour, salt, softened butter, egg, and the yeast mixture. Again, ensure that the yeast mixture is activated before you add it to your dough mixture. Mix until the dough comes together, then knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now it is time for you to rest the dough for it to rise. So you're going to cover the dough with a plastic wrap or a towel and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 2 hours or until the dough is double in size. After 1 hour, this is how my dough is looking. As you can see, it is rise in the container. So I'm going to go ahead and shape this into 8 equal pieces. So I cut it in 6 pieces and then I went ahead and go again and cut it in 8 equal pieces because you don't want it to be too big. Then you're going to go ahead and roll it into your hand into a ball shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this onto the baking sheet, and I'm going to use my hand and gently press it down into the shape that I want it. Now it's time for the second rice. You're going to cover the buns loosely with a towel or a clean wrap and let them rise for about 30 to 45 minutes or until it is fluffy. Then I'm going to go ahead and prepare my egg wash. So I'm just using the yolk of the egg. Do not use the white portion of the egg. So I'm just going to remove the white part. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and give it a mix. And here I have some roasted sesame seed. I'm going to add some to it. I think I had too much, but it's okay anyway. So I'm just going to give it a stir, and then once my dough is raised, I'm going to go ahead and brush it onto the top of it. Then I'm going to go ahead and bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until it is golden brown. And here is all our burger buns turned out. I am happy with my result, and I hope that you give this a try and let me know in the comment section how did yours turn out. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipes.